Like I really smell a lot of cannabis. Hey, what up YouTube? D4G here banging out another video, man. Today we'll be going over 7 fragrances. That's something that you're interested in? Stay tuned. Right, what up YouTube? So you already know, before we get started with the video, man, I gotta do the YouTube stuff. So right now I have a goal. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers by the end of March. So what I need y'all to help me, help me, man. Hit the subscribe button, man. It really means a lot. Help me move this algorithm, get these numbers up. It really means a lot. The football, fragrance, lifestyle is something that you're interested in. Subscribe to the channel, that way you can be updated anytime I upload any videos, man. All right, so the first bottle we're gonna be going over is gonna be Invictus Legend, man. Now if you know me, you know I'm real big on Invictus. I love the grapefruit in it. This one right here is still a C note, a C. Give it a spray real quick just so you can see the atomizer on this thing. Good, beautiful atomizer. The grapefruit is prominent. You know how it is, man. Whenever you get an Invictus bottle, you're gonna smell that grapefruit, but the sea salt stands out as well. You want to get your man something that'll be good for spring, summer, going into fall as well. Invictus Legend, you can't go wrong with it. This is almost a year-round fragrance, and it's actually a pretty decent buy. I want to say you can get it for around 70 to 80 bucks as well. I'll have a link in the description for it as well. But first one that we went over is gonna be Invictus Legend, man. Second fragrance on the list today is gonna be a goodie and a goldie, man. I'm talking about Amber Oud Edition. So one of the things that I love about this fragrance is that it is a unisex fragrance. So this is something that ladies and men can pull off. Got a little display, open it up like so. We're gonna move that to the side real quick. Now this is a sweet and fruity fragrance. So if you want your man to have a little bit more of a masculine fragrance around him, I probably wouldn't go with this one per se. But if you want him to have something different in his collection, something that can be used virtually year round, and you know, if you want to get a couple of sprays in it on yourself, you can do that as well. I go with Amber Oud, man. Great fragrance, great atomizer, beautiful opening. It is a very, I don't know, that sweetness, the fruitiness, it comes out. It's a great scent, man. You can smell the bergamot that's in it. It is a beautiful scent to have. And if you want to get something for your man that not only he can rock, but if you want to rock it as well, depending on the occasion, this is a great pickup. And if you buy this online, I want to say it's around 50, 60 bucks online for the 100 or 90 ml. I'm so sorry, but it's still a good buy. Like, great purchase right here. And again, we're talking about Amber Oud Gold Edition, man. All right, so the fifth bottle that we're going to be going over today is going to be Club de Nuit Intense, man. This one right here is the Creed Invictus clone, and basically 90-95% of the same exact DNA. So if you smelt Creed Invictus and that's something that you're attracted to, but you don't want to spend the $300 to get it, this right here is a great pickup. The juice that you get in this is phenomenal for the price that you're paying. Not a bad atomizer, decent atomizer. Man, the way it opens up, the bergamot, the jasmine, how it just hits you and it lasts. This is a long-lasting fragrance as well. This one is going to be one of those 10-hour fragrances. Now, this isn't a unisex fragrance. I will say this. Just keep this to the man. Let him rock this one, ladies. Don't try to pull this one out yourself. But if you want to get something that is an Invictus, Creed Invictus clone, and you want to get something that's similar to that without paying that price, Club de Nuit Intense, man. You cannot go wrong with this. This is a great pickup. It's loud, it projects, it has great sillage. You're gonna have a nice trail behind you when you walk. People are gonna turn their heads on this one, man. And this is a very popular fragrance in the fragrance community. So again, if you wanna get something without spending all the money, you cannot go wrong with Club de Nuit Intense for men. Check it out. All right, so you know I gotta throw in another one of the Paco Rabannes, man. And this one that we're talking about today is Paco Rabanne 1 million Parfum. Now this one right here is a little bit more concentrated than the toilette version or the like the Lucky. This is a little bit more concentrated. It is a Parfum edition. Now the difference between this and the 1 million Lucky, 1 million, that one I would say more so fall, winter. But this one right here, it has white floral, it has amber. This is a perfect spring, summer, going into the fall fragrance. Almost year round. Ladies, this right here, this will definitely have your man smelling like $1 million if he wears it. It opens, it's loud, it projects. This is what you want. This is the type of fragrance that you want. This is something that you want to add, give to your man. If you want to like date night fragrance, that's what this will be great for. Going out, just having a good time at night, that's what this will be good for. Sunday fun days, that's what this will be good for. So if that sounds like something that your man is into and your man does those type of activities where y'all are out and about and you want him to smell like $1 million, go with the 1 Million Parfum, man. This is the best one right here out of the collection, in my personal opinion. And this one lasts the longest, and it smells the strongest out of all of them. And again, 1 Million Parfum. Now, 5th fragrance on this list, gonna throw in another unisex fragrance. This one's very different than the Amber Oud. I am talking about Badalu Amethyst. This right here is amazing. If your man likes oud scents or just something that's a little bit more different, this is almost like a Middle Eastern scent. First of all, let's look at the bottle. See that presentation? Oh my gosh, this is immaculate right here. And you are getting, this is a take off of Initio. And now I'm not gonna lie, the atomizer is not the best, but it's still decent. This right here lasts. Now again, this is something that I would say more so fall, winter. Only fall, winter. Do not wear this during the heat, just because how loud it is, the density of the juice. This is definitely a parfum concentration. Like, this stuff right here is amazing. And what you get compared to what you're paying compared to what you pay for Initio's version of it, you're looking at $400 for that fragrance. Whereas with Badalu Amethyst, you can get this online for 40-50 bucks. I think I bought it from Fragrance by CA for like 40 bucks. I will have a link for all these fragrances in the bottom as well, ladies. So if you want to click on that, order it beforehand, get the 2-day shipping, whatever the case may be, or if you want to find it online, I'll still have some links down there for y'all to check that out. But this right here, the way it opens up, the oud is not overpowering. It is very, it's you want something, the oud is not overpowering in this. The oud, and then when the dry down hits, it dries down to a nice rose smell, but it still has that oud. So you still have that masculine fragrance, but you do have that rose. And this right here, I wore this for work a couple of times when I was out sweating, doing all my thing, but this lasted all day. This was a 12-hour fragrance plus. Even when I took a shower, I still could smell it somewhat on me. Like, so it lasts. Fall, winter time, great fragrance to have. If you want to get something for your man, a little bit different, want to have them try something different, hey, Badalu Amethyst. You cannot go wrong with this purchase right here, man. Check them out. All right, man, so this one right here, we're going to do something a little bit different. This is going to be our 6th fragrance on the list. This one right here is, I would like to say this is for my smokers, man. If you tote, you know what I'm saying? If you smoke, hey, Bad Boy, Carolina Herrera. You cannot go wrong with this, man. The opening of this, look, beautiful atomizer. When I say, like, I really smell a lot of cannabis. Could be good or bad depending on the person. But if that's something that you're okay with, that cannabis in this right here is amazing. The hemp notes that they have in this is phenomenal. Now, it does have some grapefruit in there as well. I don't get the grapefruit, and you know me. Paco, Rabanne, Invictus, 1 Million, grapefruit. I'm a grapefruit person. I don't really get too much grapefruit in this. Now, I will say this. This is a new bottle. I haven't really worn it yet. I still got to do a review on this, but just off of initial takes, and the time that I went to the mall and tried it on, like, hey, it was great, man. I enjoyed it. I love the way I smell. It was good, man. Hey, and if you got a bad boy on that you trying to get a gift for, Carolina Herrera Bad Boy, you can't go wrong with it. This is the La Parfum edition, by the way. I'm not a big fan of the original, the Toilette, but the La Parfum edition, this right here, cannabis note is prominent in this. The hemp note is prominent in this. Very, very satisfying fragrance. Carolina Herrera Bad Boy, La Parfum. Check them out. And last but not least, you know, a list wouldn't be complete if you don't add a Sauvage in there. And matter of fact, I'm gonna do a bonus for y'all right now. Either one. You can get the Sauvage Eau de Parfum edition. Peppery, great fragrance. Love it. This is something that year round, I would pour this thing out year round. Doesn't matter. But you want something a little bit more different, that got that cardamom, that grapefruit in it still? Sauvage Elixir. I haven't even opened this yet. I've been waiting to do a review on this, but I will say this. Out of all the fragrances that's on this list, this one is the priciest of the bunch. This is a $160 fragrance. Ain't no discount. I can put a link in the description, but it'll still be $160. So just keep that in mind. But if you wanted to go with something that's a little bit more, not as expensive, but still great concentration, great juice, you don't need too many sprays in this. Matter of fact, let me show y'all something real quick. This is the best atomizer I have ever used. Watch how this sprays. Bruh, come on, man. Look, the concentration, this is beautiful. Either one, it does not matter. I'm not opening this until I do an unboxing. It'll be coming soon. But either one, you cannot go wrong with. I love the Eau de Parfum, but if you wanna, you might have an executive type of man that you wanna get something for, Elixir, you cannot go wrong with this, man. And again, link for all fragrances will be in the description. So go ahead and tap in and check into that. All right, man. So that's going to be the video right there. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know which one sounds appealing to you. Let me know which one you might be, interested in getting for your man. Because I'm curious to know how y'all react to certain fragrances. So let me know. Comment down below. But that's going to be the video, man. Hey, if you've already been here, still here, don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification. That way you can be updated anytime I drop any new content, because we're going to continue to push out football, fragrance, lifestyle. Hey, D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. We out.